Hi guys, so today I will be talking about Pond's Dry Skin Cream. This is Rich Hydrating Facial Moisturizer. Yeah, and this is the net weight slash netto, I think that's in a different language, is 6.5 ounces and 184. And I'm not going to read anything on the back, I just want to show you guys. And I actually am going to say this is hypoallergenic and it won't clog your pores, dermatologist tested, and suitable for sensitive skin. And just a little bit closer so you guys can just see some of the ingredients in it. Sorry guys. And then I do want to read the directions too. It just says massage gently over the face and neck. Okay. And then this is what the top looks like. It just has that. And I do want to show you guys what the cream looks like. So this is kind of what the cream looks like. The texture. Okay guys, so after I rub this in and show you guys what the product looks like on my fingers, I just want to talk about this product. So starting off, I got suggested this product from, I want to say it was either my mom or one of my sisters, because I remember the first time I purchased this product, it was at home. I was not in college, so it had to be at home. And I remember telling my mom, it had to be my mom, because I was complaining to her. My sisters would not listen to me complain. But I was just complaining to my mom, and I was like, oh my goodness, like I literally cannot find a good face moisturizer. Either every face moisturizer I get is too greasy, or the glands in my face probably work more than other people's, and I do tend to sweat a lot, and it's so annoying. And so I have to like consistently be like dabbing my face, or consistently keep putting powder on my face, which is annoying because my face is so greasy, or it gets very oily. And so I asked my mom, I was like, okay, I need a good face moisturizer. And she was like, you should try out Pond's. She was like, I get it for your sister and she likes it. So guys, the one thing I'm going to say about this moisturizer is, I'm just going to say it before I get into talking about it. I did not like this product. I actually liked not the knockoff, but like the Equate version more than I like this one. And I really love the Equate version. I get it all the time. But the actual Pond's product, I don't know why, it was just too greasy for me. Like, it overwhelms my face when I get out the shower. It just feels like something I should be putting on my body at nighttime, not really on my face. And like I said, I do have a very oily face, but this is it just kind of like overdid it for me in a way. I just really do not appreciate the consistency of the product. When I find like good moisturizers for my face, it kind of like feels like it's a water base, or like something that like won't like attack my face, something that's very like loose and kind of like, okay, like this is a light touch to your face. This is like, it is very overwhelming. And my mom was just like, beggars can't be choosers. And I was like, when it comes to my face, I can. This product is like expensive too, as compared to a lot of other face creams too. So if I am going to spend my money's worth for this, I expect it to at least do something for me. And guys, it really honestly did not that much for me. I wish I could say different, but I'll even tell you guys a couple scenarios. There was this one time, it was kind of hot outside, it was like 80 degrees, and I put this on. My face was literally like a waterfall. It was sweating more than usual. All the cream came off. It was just the worst. And I was sweating so bad that it was like going in my eyes, and I kept rubbing my eyes, and I was getting the product in there. And it was just not the happiest day of my life. Yeah, like it was just, I could have like lived without the whole cream, but yeah, this is a good product. I guess a lot of other people have been saying it is if you don't have like a very oily face. I know a lot of people use this to like under their makeup. I wouldn't suggest it either if you are very oily in your T-zone, especially just because you're just gonna sweat and it's a thick cream. I suggest something light, like a light moisturizer. Don't really go all in with this unless maybe you're going to sleep and you're going to sleep in the happiness of your air conditioning at home. But other than that, I wouldn't really suggest this. Another funny story with this cream too is, guys, since I spend my money's worth, I'm the type of person, like if I can and I know one of my friends wants it, I'll give it away. But if I spend my money's worth on it, I'm going to use it. And so I do use this to moisturize my body. And I know it says for your face and your neck, but it works well on my skin. So I do use this. It's a thick cream. I mean, I haven't had problems thus far with it. So yeah, I really enjoy putting this on my body at nighttime. But like I said, guys, like it wasn't my favorite product, but yeah, I mean, it's a good product. Like I said, if you don't have oily skin, and if you're looking for a lighter cream, it would be a good product too. But this is just the Pond's Dry Skin Cream. And it's like rich hydrating facial moisturizer. And yeah,